Here at GCIT, I really think it's important that we continue to provide all of our students with the most up-to-date technology and learning resources that we can find. This intelitek BenchMill 6100 milling machine is an example of some of the products that we brought into the school to help our students learn the best that they can. We're in an engineering classroom right now, and this is assigned to our engineering students. And in such a complex industry of engineering, it's really important that the students have the most up-to-date and most reliable and most current technologies.
So this is the spindle, and this is what it's going to be cutting at.
It's great for the class because not only does it allow us to take our projects one step further than prototyping, like we can make actual products that we use when we're building a NASA rover for a competition. We're making our own gears, we can make our own pulleys, we can design them on a computer, and we can have them in hand with this machine. So this is a capability we didn't have before, to be able to actually make real products out of metal that we're using in the classroom. Take a look. We can make sprockets now.
Yeah, I need sprockets.
I believe we're one of the only high schools in the county and one of the few high schools in the state to be able to offer this resources to their students. So we're really, really excited to have this in our engineering program.
This is beyond the classroom, so this is a Skills USA competition, and this is a skill that is valuable throughout the industry in engineering. So they're going to get valuable CAD skills, computer-aided drafting, CAM skills, computer-aided manufacturing, and just hands-on milling as well.
I first became aware of it when our engineering teacher, Mr. Heck, had been at a Skills USA competition in Sussex. And he came back and he told me about this amazing machine and how he had to have it for his students. And we sat and chatted for a little while. We were fortunate enough to have the resources in last year's budget to afford it, and it was a no-brainer for me. We had to have it, our students need it, and we're grateful to have it in our curriculum.
The CNC mill, does anyone know how many axes the CNC mill operates on right now?
Hands-on experience is critical in the engineering classroom. Technology is changing every day, and to be able to have equipment like this that combines both the computer side and the hands-on side it's the skill that's required in today's world. And now she's lowering the spindle to set the Z-axis. And she's going to try to find that top corner. Yeah, without digging into it.